Hey everyone, this is Ava at Glow with Ava, and you can find me at Glow with Ava on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I cover everything you have to know about skincare, beauty, and I also have an obsession for a lot of beauty gadgets. And one of my favorite one is the REFA CARAT. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering how we can use the REFA CARAT, especially for those of you who are beginning to use this tool or are thinking of purchasing this. So consider this a very quick at-home face workout using this tool, and make sure you get your moisturizer and this tool, and let's begin with this exercise. First, we're going to go in with a moisturizer for the face. Any cream should work as long as it's not too thick. I'm going to be using the Farmacy Honey Drop today over my face and gently massage that in. And then on my neck and décolleté area, I'm going to be using this Perricone neck cream that really helps to firm up your overall neckline and jawline, especially when used with a beauty tool. You don't necessarily need this cream, but personally, I love using a specific neck cream just to make it even more effective. After you have your moisturizer on, let's begin with our first exercise. We're going to grab this, and just using one ball, you're going to reach it right under your chin and then gently push it up. This is what it's going to look like. Push it up and do it for 5 seconds, then move it to the other side, 5 seconds, and then keep moving it upward until you reach your ear. Do the same for this side. Start from the middle and then keep going up. This is a great exercise to warm up your muscles before going in with the actual exercises. Okay, and after we do that, then we're going to go in and start from the bottom, the jawline first. So now that we've warmed up your overall jawline, now we're going to go upwards and downwards like this, and you can do this for however long you want. I personally just do it for 30 seconds to a minute and warm that up a little bit. This is really great for overall accentuating that jawline. Do the same for the other side. After we are done with this side of the face, then we're going to move to the other side and move one step above right here. And then just do the same motion. And this is going to focus on your cheekbones. And the best part about this tool is that it is platinum coated, so it has zero irritations at all on your face, and it just glides up and down. That's the difference between this tool and other standard tools out there that you can get for a fraction of the cost, because with those tools I find that I do get a lot of irritations, especially when kind of rubbing it on my face. But after using this tool, I don't even get that red marks that I usually do because I have sensitive skin. Do that for 30 seconds, and then we're going to move to the other side once again, and then do that for another 30 seconds. This feels so great, especially when you feel like you have some puffy cheeks in the morning. This helps to release all the tension that is built up there. And it's also great for the lymphatic drainage that is built up in your cheek area. And after that, we're gonna go to our forehead and move it up in zigzag motions like this. And this tool is made out of diamond cut rollers, and the rollers basically mimic the technique that professional estheticians use during their facial massages for that deep kneading that helps to overall refine your face. This exercise in particular is very helpful for releasing the tension and stress that is built up in your forehead, and you'll instantly feel like your migraine and headaches are gone after doing this. So I do this for 30 seconds to a minute once again. And after I'm done with that exercise, this is what I call the rest period, where I just put this over my forehead and gently push it, not too hard, just very gently, just to give very little pressure point massages. Move that. While you do that, just breathe in and out and release the tension that you have. so good. Okay, so now we're gonna move to our neck area. We're gonna start right here under your ear and then move it down to your shoulder, just this part. And then just go up and down. Repeat this for a minute. I am particularly sore right around this area, so I love this kneading technique that just releases the muscle pain and tension that I have in this area. And it's particularly great if you're just working in front of a computer all day and you suffer from tech neck and a lot of tension is built up here. Just do this throughout the day when you're taking a little coffee break. This will instantly make you feel a lot better and can also help improve your posture. And this tool, compared to other tools that REFA has, is so multi-purpose because it can be used for your face as well as body. Some of the other ones are more targeted, so it can't really be used on the body, especially your neckline. But this is great if you want a product that is more multi-purpose, so you can use it on your neck area as well as your body for, you know, pre and post workout uses. I also use this on my leg area, which I can show in another video. Okay, so now you just do the same thing for the other side. I just can't get enough of this exercise. It just feels so good and relaxing. And what's so great about this tool is that you don't even have to put a lot of pressure in it. Your arms aren't sore after doing this because of the way these tools are shaped. It grabs onto your muscle tension while you go up and releases as you go down. So it feels like you're adding a lot of pressure in without using much of your energy at all. And then if you have back pain, you can also do the same and go towards your back area like this, up and down. Do this for 30 seconds and this feels so good. Never realize the amount of pain and tension that you have in your body until you kind of go in with a tool like this and give yourself a massage. And especially during quarantine right now when you can't go outside and get your typical massages, having a tool like this is so worth your investment to give a nice massage at home as well as some self-care at the end of the day. Now we're going to move on to our collarbone as well. This is a great technique if you want to look good in your photos and just define that overall collarbone area. So we're going to start from right here and then just move it up towards and follow along your collarbone area. You will instantly feel the pressure building up. And it's overall very relaxing. And as I mentioned earlier, the diamond curve rollers is shaped just so that it can help overall refine your bone structure as well. Do this the night before you have to wear a tank top or have an important event to go to. Okay, and do the same thing for this side. So this tool can be used for your face as well as body, wherever you're feeling tense. If you're feeling tense a little in your arm or you just finished an arm workout, just do this. You can do the same thing for your legs as well. And I just washed my hair, so I have a turban on, but this is also a great tool to use for your head. So even during the day, just give a nice scalp massage and head massage like this during the day, and it's really going to help release a lot of the tension there as well, all over your scalp, all over your head. It's a nice kneading technique that even estheticians and facialists use during their massage. So this is just one of the most multi-purpose products out there. So if you are choosing between some of the REFA products that you want to purchase, if you want something that is the most multi-purpose and you can use for your face and body, then I would highly recommend this. But if you are looking for something that is a little bit more targeted, for example, for your dark circles or your wrinkles on your forehead, then you can choose the REFA Cax Array, which I'll do another video on as well. So it's really your personal preference on which tool you would like to choose. But personally, I love having this and it's a great way to travel as well. All right, well, thank you so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as well as exercise and working out with me. I'll come back with more facial videos like this. And until then, make sure you're subscribed to my channel below. Follow me at Instagram as well as TikTok. And I will see you guys next.